Medium. Medium to semi-large. Kasha to. Ang ganda nito. Medium semi-large. May collar yan. Bababad nyo lang to. Ang ganda na nito. Medium semi-large. Yes, Gandara. Medium semi-large. Yes, Gandara. Medium semi-large. Yes, Gandara. Yes, Gandara for only 50 pesos. This one, madam, manipis lang pero good as new. Okay? Parang ang color nito, color apricot. Large size, si icebreaker. Good as new na manipis lang. Large on tag. Yes, apricot. Yes, apricot. Large size. Yes, apricot. Gandara, yung hawak mo, be. Gandara si Ma'am Maylin. Ito rin, good as new, si Denver Hayes, medium on tag. Cotton na cotton. Denver Hayes ang brand, medium. Ayan, babe. Yes, white. Cotton yan, madam, si Denver Hayes, ha. Medium size, yes, white. Yes, white. Medium size, yes, white. Ito rin, ganda nito. Si Magazine, large size. Large size si Magazine. Ayan. Sleeveless with zipper siya dyan, madam. Large size, yes, zipper. Maganda sa actual to, ah. Large size, yes, zipper, mga madamski. Yes, zipper, large size. Yes, zipper. Next, Joe Fresh. Nakalagay XL. Kasya to ng large XL na saktuhan sa XL, madam. Large XL, yes, flower. Large XL, Joe Fresh ang brand, yes, flower. Large XL. Large XL, yes, flower. Yes, flower, large XL. Large XL, yes, flower. Blue hanggang medium size, madam. Small to medium stretchable si blue. Yes, blue. Ito, medium size. Makinis din to, ha. Medium size, yes, makinis. Ito, ang gandara din ito, madam, si Joe Fresh. Medium untag. Medium untag, madam, si Joe Fresh. Yes, good. Ganda niyan. Ano to, madam, ha? Dark blue. Ito, washable lang to. Yes, good. Yes, good. Yes, good. Medium size.